Ever wondered which CPU will dominate 2026? Whether you're building a gaming beast, a creator workstation, or just chasing ultimate speed, today's list has something that'll blow your mind. From Intel's latest powerhouses to AMD's crazy efficient chips, these processors are setting the bar sky high. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to build a PC this year, you know choosing the right CPU can make or break your setup. So in this video, we're counting down the top 6 best PUs of 2026, from budget picks to extreme performance monsters. We'll talk speed, cores, gaming power, and what makes each chip worth your money. Number 6, AMD Ryzen 7 9700X. Kicking off our list is AMD's Ryzen 7 9700X, the go-to chip for gamers who want top-tier performance without draining their wallet. It packs 8 cores and 16 threads, built on AMD's Zen 5 architecture. What's special? It balances insane efficiency with smooth performance across gaming and productivity. And fun fact, it runs cooler than most chips from last year, even under heavy load. Number 5, Intel Core i5 15600K. At number 5, we've got a fan-favorite Intel's Core i5 15600K. This one's a bang-for-buck legend. With 14 cores and 20 threads, it delivers amazing gaming performance and multitasking at a mid-range price. If you're a gamer who also streams, this CPU hits that sweet spot between power and value. Think of it as the Honda Civic of CPUs: reliable, fast, and everyone loves it. Number 4, AMD Ryzen 9 9950X. Now, if you're a creator or power user, the Ryzen 9 9950X is your best friend. It comes with 16 cores and 32 threads, plus the latest 3D cache technology that supercharges gaming performance. It's a monster for video editing, rendering, and pretty much anything CPU heavy. Fun fact, this chip can beat Intel's flagship in multi-core tasks while using less power. Efficiency goals, right? Number 3, Intel Core i7 15700K. Number 3 is all about balance. The Intel Core i7 15700K. It's got 20 threads and hits incredible turbo speeds for high FPS gaming. What puts it here is Intel's new AI Boost integration, which automatically adjusts performance for real-time workloads. So whether you're editing, gaming, or streaming, it adapts on the fly. It's like your CPU just got a brain upgrade. Number 2, Apple M4 Ultra. At number 2, Apple's M4 Ultra chip is redefining desktop performance. It's built on a 3nm process, and Apple's unified architecture means it's crazy fast for creative work. Whether you're using Final Cut Pro or Blender on macOS, this chip destroys render times. Fun fact, it's so efficient that even full 8K editing barely makes it warm. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, this is your dream chip. Number 1, Intel Core i9 15900KS. And at number 1, the king of 2026, Intel's Core i9 15900KS. This beast can clock up to 6.3 Js out of the box. That's right, 6.3. It's made for hardcore gamers and professionals who want the absolute best. Basically, if you want bragging rights, this is the CPU to flex. Quick tip if you're on a budget: don't sleep on last year's Ryzen 5 7600 or Intel i5 13600K. They still offer amazing value for 1080p gaming and light editing, and prices have dropped big time in 2026. So, there you have it, the top 6 best CPUs of 2026. From budget builds to ultimate setups, these chips are powering the next generation of Cs. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to know what you're building this year. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more top tech lists, and turn on the bell so you never miss an upload.